Job 1 Data Entry Operator. Abu Dhabi requires eligible candidate for the post of Data Entry Operator in Abu Dhabi. Applicants who are interested can send CV. Job detail, enter, update, and verify data in company databases, track documents received, deadlines, and completion dates. Review and update records when changes occur, assist and train employees on database system usage. Job 2 Office Admin in UAE. Dubai we are hiring suitable candidate for the post of an office admin in Dubai. Candidate who are interested can send resume. Job details, establish and maintain office administration systems such as maintain training records, leave and sick records, supplier record with credit term. Job 3 Retail Sales Associate. Dubai we are looking for a suitable candidate for the post of Retail Sales Associate in Dubai. Candidates who meets job requirements can apply. Job duties, greet customers when entering or leaving the shop. Understand customer requirement and provide solutions. Approach customers and offer them advice on products. Job 4 Informatics Administrator. Dubai company description. Our business has a positive impact on millions of people every day. We inspire individuals and organizations to work more effectively and efficiently, and create greater choice in the domain of work for the benefit of all concerned. Job 5 Head of Marketing and Communications. Dubai our client, one of the largest investment organizations in the UAE, is looking for a head of marketing and communications. Responsibilities: create and execute internal and external communication strategy, action plans, budget and KPIs, ensure all communications are up to guidelines and policies, familiarize with all standards and protocols created by the top authority before authorizing corporate communication. Job 6 Investment Funds Legal Counsel 3/6 PQE. Abu Dhabi full-time, permanent job description. Charterhouse is working with a high-profile investment fund that is looking to hire a mid-level 3/6 PQE UK or US qualified funds corporate lawyer to join its legal team in Abu Dhabi. A rare opportunity to join a high-profile organization in an interesting role. Job 7 Nurses 3 months contract extendable. Dubai temporary nurses 3 months contract extendable. We are hiring for one of the leading global providers of health services. Positions highlights and notes. 1. The initial engagement will be for 3 months with a possible extension. Currently, they don't know how long the pandemic will be present, and you may need to be flexible in that. 2. You will be working in hospitals and clinics treating COVID patients and will be designation in hospital and clinics around the UAE. Job 8 Business Analyst with strong UML and net experience. Dubai company description. Our business has a positive impact on millions of people every day. We inspire individuals and organizations to work more effectively and efficiently, and create greater choice in the domain of work for the benefit of all concerned. Job 9 ICU Respiratory Therapists 10 positions. Dubai ICU Respiratory Therapists 10 positions. We are looking for 10 ICU respiratory therapists to join our clients, a group of prestigious hospital based in the Emirate of Sharjah. Role details and notes. Job 10 Manager International Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Dubai we are looking for suitable candidate to fill the role of Manager International Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Key requirements: possess rich and extensive knowledge of the logistics industry with excellent command over general management, operations. Job 11 Business Development Manager International Business. Dubai for good communication skills. Graduate with minimum 5 to 7 years of experience of independently handling import-export business. Fully conversant with Ms. Word, Ms. Excel. Job 12 Account Manager Insurance. Dubai salary, 20,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per plus benefits. Location, Dubai. Job role and requirements. Our client is a global insurance company. Based in Dubai, this role will support and develop mutually rewarding working relationships directly with key clients and brokers to ensure operational goals, earning targets and profitable growth. Job 13 Recruitment Consultants. Dubai salary, competitive salary plus incentives. Location, Dubai. Job role and requirements, Gulf HR Solution has had a significant successful track record in placing talent across a broad spectrum of industries within global corporations as well as local entities for over 20 years. We are seeking enthusiastic consultants with an entrepreneurial attitude whilst being able to work well within a small and extremely focused team who places client servicing and hard work at its core. You will be very client-focused, manage your own time and targets. Job 14 HRIS team-led. Dubai salary, 24,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per plus benefits. Location, Dubai. Job role and requirements, our client is a global multinational organization. Based in Dubai, this role will be responsible for leading the HRIS implementation at a regional level. Key functions will include managing the implementation. Job 15 specification, account managers, UPS and LV products. Dubai salary, 18,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per negotiable plus benefits. Location, Dubai. Job role and requirements, our clients are leading European manufacturers and distributors of electrical products. Based in Dubai, the roles will be in charge of the technical evaluations of specifications with the aim of providing products and offers in line with the project's needs and assisting with achieving forecasted sales budgets. Job 16 web designer, up to 4,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams plus. Dubai. Dubai title, web designer. Location, Dubai salary, open benefits, medical insurance plus flight tickets. Work days, 5 days, Sunday to Thursday. CVs, resume at mcgroup.me. Note, to avoid spamming with irrelevant resumes. Job 17 sales engineers, HVAC power. Abu Dhabi ref. No. 3,588 salary, 12,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per to 18,000, plus benefits. Location, Abu Dhabi. Job role and requirements, on behalf of our clients, Abu Dhabi-based international engineering companies involved in power and energy products. Job 18 welding machine technician. Sharjah 30,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 40,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams a month. We need a skilled welding machines technician perfect in repair of all kind basic and inverter base machines, along with that must able to repair grinders, cutter drills and all kind of power tools. Must knowledge about electronic and electrical component related to works. Education. Job type, full-time salary, 30,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 40,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month. Experience. Job 19 learning coordinator. Dubai BA or BS degree, strong MS Office skills including advanced Excel functionalities. Familiarity with relational database concepts and best practices. Experience planning and coordinating training, large meetings or events. Detail-oriented and excellent organizational skills, accuracy is essential. Demonstrated ability to communicate complex information, verbally and in writing, concisely and in a manner. Job 20 surveyor. Abu Dhabi. This role will be offered on a local employment contract basis only, not expat, and is open to Emirati only to satisfy local government requirements. ABS Europe is recruiting for a surveyor to be based in our Abu Dhabi port office. In this location we provide services to new construction, existing vessels, ships in service, survey after construction. Job 21 Slick Line Supervisor. Abu Dhabi contract job description. We are looking for slicking supervisors for a 1-year renewable contract in the United Arab Emirates. The project is with an international oilfield services company. Requirements as follows. Job 22 PGT English, TGT Social Studies. Dubai Marina description, PGT English MA in English on dependent visa, female candidate preferred, nationality, Indian, should be present in UAE. Job type, full-time, permanent. TGT Social Studies. Job 23 Occupational Therapist, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi full-time, permanent. A wonderful opportunity available for an experienced occupational therapist in the UAE, Abu Dhabi. We are currently looking for an occupational therapist, adults or pediatrics trained in for an extremely well-established hospital group in the United Arab Emirates based in Abu Dhabi, with opportunities across a number of divisions including neuro rehab, inpatient, outpatient. Job 24 Pediatric Occupational Therapist, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi full-time, permanent. A wonderful opportunity available for an pediatric occupational therapist in Abu Dhabi. We are currently looking for pediatric occupational therapist for an extremely well-established rehabilitation hospital group in the United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi or Al Ain. The hospital offers the following benefits. Job 25 Consultant Pediatric Neurologist, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi full-time, permanent. A wonderful opportunity available for an experienced consultant pediatric neurologist in Abu Dhabi. We are currently looking for an consultant pediatric neurologist in for an extremely well-established hospital group in the United Arab Emirates based in Abu Dhabi. The hospital offers the following benefits. Job 26 Pickers, Packers, Helpers. Dubai full-time, permanent. Job positions, pickers, packers, helpers. 15 knows gender, male and females both. Salary 1,250 United Arab Emirates dirhams per 12 hours. Duty age limit 20 to 30 years. Accommodation allowance 700 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Transport and medical insurance, provided by company. Job 27 Purchase Manager. Urgently hiring. Dubai 3,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams a month. We are hiring a purchase officer, manager with a wide knowledge and experience in supermarket purchases with adequate communication skills. Job type, full-time. Salary, 3,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month. Experience, purchasing, 1 year, preferred. Job 28 Secretary, Coordinator. Dubai full-time, permanent. 1,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 2,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams a month. Daily reports, monthly reports. Complete secretarial works, coordination with field staff. Job types, full-time, permanent. Salary, 1,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 2,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month. Job 29 Accountant with foodstuff trading experience. Dubai full-time, permanent. Accountant with foodstuff trading experience. Any nationality may apply. Must have a degree in accounting. Minimum 5 years working experience in a foodstuff trading company with thorough knowledge in ERP softwares, preferably SAP. English language as a must. Job types, full-time, permanent.